swing of a heartbreak crush is a rush. Feel the rush. You're painting free to color. Lead the muses like a cupola. All the colors layered on kaleidoscope.
Hello everyone! So good morning. My name is Karen. This is Karen Lapazaina, and I'll be sharing with you this essential topic based on my personal experience. So the question is, instant cash when you're broke, meron ba? Aside from utang, of course. So yes, the answer to this question is yes, but this answer is not possible without action. So pwede kang magkaroon ng instant cash when you're broke to save yourself, but there's a big but, you have to work out for it. So personally, this is my story. I hope you can learn something from this. So, in 2021, 2022, I was broke during the pandemic kasi nawalan ako ng work. And at that time, sobrang kailangan ko ng instant cash para makabangon. How did I did it? So, for so many years, laging ganyan yung problema ko. May pera, tapos broke, may pera, broke. So, because the reason is, hindi ako marunong humawak ng pera. So, hindi ibig sabihin broke ako, wala talaga akong pera, hindi ako nagkaroon ng malaking pera, something like that. No, it's not the story. May times talaga na magkakaroon ng pera, pero nawawala lang. So, yung attitude na one day millionaire. Ganun ako. Hindi ako marunong humawak ng pera. That's the story. And one day, I decided to change myself. Kasi kung hindi ko gagawin yon, lagi na lang pabalik-balik yung cycle na yon. So, paano ginawa ko na finally, now, nakawala ako sa ganong, na-break ko yung ganong cycle. So, number one is, at the time, talagang sinulat ko lahat ng issue sa akin, lahat ng problema ko pagdating sa pera. And I found out ano talaga yung problema ko. Anong meron ako na wala sa iba, na nakawala na sa ganong cycle. So number one is sinulat ko lahat, pinag-aralan ko. And number two, I found a way na magkaroon ako ng instant cash. Kasi kailangan ko yon to buy computer para makapaghanap ng work kasi sira yung computer ko. Lahat ng mga kailanganin ko nagpang-abot na, and I cannot pay it anymore. Hindi na ako makabayad. Just like before. So, yun, naghanap ako ng paraan paano ko magawa yun. And finally, after a few months, nag-decide ako na mag-try kumuha ng computer sa Home Credit. And I promised myself na kailangan ko talagang bayaran to sa anong paraan. So, kailangan kong tipirin kung ano mang meron ako at magawan ko ng paraan to pay Home Credit monthly and on time. So, after a few months, nagkaroon ako ng credit score sa Home Credit. Nakita nila na maganda yung record ko. Nagbabayad ako on time. So, sobrang wala na talaga akong income at that time. Talagang dumating sa point na bagsak lahat na. Ayaw ko din talagang umutang sa iba kasi alam ko hindi ako makakabayad. So, mahirap. So, eventually, nakita ko sa account ko sa Home Credit na they offered me 107,000 cash. Sobrang laki. So, sabi ko, if I'm going to take this opportunity, pag kumuha ko sa utang na yon, I can buy the computer that I need to start working. And mababago ko na talaga yung buhay ko. As long as I be careful na hindi ko nagagawin yung dati kong ginagawa. Yung gastos ng gastos, pero wala namang naibabalik. So finally, I did it. And then talagang down to the last peso, kinumpute ko kung saan mapupunta yung pera na yon. So, from there, naglaan ako ng for bank account na savings para eventually magkaroon din ako ng credit card. And yan yung ginawa ko. And yes, nagkaroon ako ng another computer. And then, para talaga sa work ko. And next na ginawa ko is bumili ako ng mga courses online na magagamit ko sa work ko. For my YouTube, gumili ako ng short course para sa editing, video editing. And then, second is, kumuha din ako ng course for social media manager para pag someday merong maghahanap ng social media manager, may alam na ako sa trabaho na yon. Yung skill ko as a writer is ma-improve ko pa. And third is, lagi ako nagbabasa ng mga books about motivation, ganyan. How to become wealthy, ganon, simpleng ganon. And of course, lahat sa mga to na ginawa ko, kung ano man yung na-learn ko, in-apply ko siya. So going back to home credit, yun, nagkaroon ako sa kanila ng credit score. Until now, na-keep ko siya. So last year, nung kinuha ko yung 107,000, until now, monthly on time yung payment ko. So this year, 2025, lagi silang tumatawag sa akin. May offer na 20,000, 30,000, and then combined to 150,000. Pero until now, sabi ko, hindi ako kukuha kasi hindi ko siya kailangan. And if one day, merong business opportunity, saka pa ako kukuha sa kanila para na magamit ko doon sa business. So, eventually, na-solve ko na talaga yung issue ko na being broke most of the time kasi hindi ako marunong gumamit ng pera. So, I taught myself how to be financially independent. Nag-a-attend din ako ng mga seminars about that. I'm serious about this, guys, because ayoko na talaga yung cycle na paulit-ulit na lang na magkakapera, then wala, magkakapera, then wala, and then down to being broke. Sobrang hirap talaga. And I wanted to share my experience with you because I am 44 years old and ganito pa din yung problemang dinadaanan ko. And I'm not sure sa inyo guys, baka meron sa inyo na ganito din ang cycle na dinadaanan. So I hope I was able to inspire you with my story and mag-share pa ako ng ibang mga things kung ano yung ginawa ko. Given that today, marami ng opportunities, meron ng internet, meron ng paraan na kumita tayo online and offline even. So by the way, because I did training for social media manager, nagkataon na may naghahanap ng social media manager at nagkaroon ako ng work for that. So yung binayad ko to train as a social media manager for myself is naggamit ko na ngayon because meron job opportunity. Yun, nakuha ko siya. Plus, meron din akong experience as a writer. So lahat ng yon as a search engine optimization writer also. So lahat ng yon is naggamit ko. So don't stop believing, keep working. Yung mga natutunan nyo, apply nyo, and listen to others, their experiences, their stories, para maka-inspire sa inyo. That's all for today. I hope to see you next time. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And by the way guys, I'm grateful sa lahat ng nanood sa mga previous video ko. Nakalimutan kong sabihin na all of those things are my personal experience. Sometimes, pag meron kayong mga tanong na hindi ko nasasagot, I will find answers to those questions because sa totoo lang, ngayon lang talaga ako nagkakaroon ng chance na magkakaroon ng credit card kasi dati takot akong gumawa sa mga ganyang bagay kasi I know I cannot pay. And then, nagkaroon ako ng income streams talaga, iniisa-isa ko kung ano yung mga yon at paano ko siya in-achieve. As of this time, meron na akong dalawa, so magtatatlo na. So, next time, isi-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga yon at paano ko yun ginawa. And stay tuned sa iba kong mga videos because I'll be sharing with you guys how I started from being broke to something na may income streams na ngayon. So, see you next time. Bye!